Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Copeland and I am outside today because it is a beautiful day to go and play outside. And there is something that I have been missing so much in our classroom since we've left, and that is doing exercises while we do our addition facts. So today I wanted to post a little video and we are going to practice doing addition and adding two things together. Remember, we have our one number and then we have our other number and we put it together and get our whole. We have our part and then our whole. And we are going to practice doing addition while we exercise outside because it feels so great outside. I hope that y'all have been outside and playing in the sun, and if you haven't, tomorrow wake up and go run outside and go get all your little energies out. It is like an all-day recess if you come outside. It's so fun. So what we are going to do first is our jumping jacks. So I'm going to give you two numbers, and it's going to be your job to put them together. You're going to take the part that we have and the other part that we have and put it together to make a whole. And we are going to do that many exercises. We're going to look at our whole and we're going to do that many exercises just like we do in our class. So our first thing that we're going to do is jumping jacks. So we are going to do 3 plus 6 jumping jacks. So I'm going to give you a second to think about different ways that we've learned how to add things together. So we'll go over one just to start us off with. So we already know that our bigger number is 6. That's our bigger part. So we have 3 and we have 6. So we know that we can take 6 and we can count on from 6 to get our whole, right? So let's practice. So we have 6, 7, 8, 9. So we had our 6 already and we added 3, these 3 fingers that I'm holding up, we added 3 to that 6, and that gave us 6, 7, 8, 9. That gave us 9, so 9 is our whole. So we're gonna do how many jumping jacks? 9, that's right. All right, let's do them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great job. All right. Our second one that we are going to do is 2 plus 4 jumping jacks again. So let's think about what skill did we just use? How did we just do it? How did we just solve that problem? We took our bigger number, right? And we added our smaller number to it, so we counted on from our bigger number. So we're using the method of counting on. So we have 4 as our bigger number, and let's count on 2 after 4. So we have 4, 5, 6. So what's our answer? 6. Great job, because we had 4 and we counted 2 more, and that gives us 6. Great job. So let's do 6 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job. All right, here's our last one for jumping jacks. And it's a tough one, I'm not gonna lie. So we have 8 as one of our parts and 0 as another one of our parts. So I'm gonna give you a second to think about that. Think about what you think it might be. What are our rules of 0? I don't know, think about it for a second. So we have 8 and we add 0 more. Now, how many is 0? That's right, it's none. It's 0. There is none to add. So if we already have 8 and we don't add anything to it, we add no more because we have nothing to add. How many do we have? 8. Great job. So let's do our 8 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. All right, next up is our leg squats, and I think that this is y'all's favorite thing to do. So here we go. We are going to do 2 plus 2 leg squats. So you know what? We can do that one on our fingers. So let's count it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many leg squats are we gonna do? 4. Great job. Let's do them. Ready? Get your arms like this and get your feet spread apart, and we're just gonna squat down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4. Great job. We did 2 leg squats and then we did 2 more and that made 4. Great job. All right. Let's see which one we're going to do next. I know. We are going to do 6 plus 1 leg squats. So if we are going to count on, we can find our bigger number is what? 6. And we're just going to count on how many more. So what is 1 more than 6? What is 1 more than 6? 7. That is right. Great job. Let's do our 7 leg squats. Get your arms ready. Get your feet ready. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1 more than 6 is 7. Great job. All right. Let's do our last exercise. Let's see. We're going to have 3 in one hand. 3 is one of our parts, and 7 as another one of our parts. Now, there's a secret about 3 and 7 that I already know that y'all know. That secret is that it's a friendly number of what? 3 and 7 are friendly numbers of 3 and 7 are friendly numbers of 10. That's right, they're friendly numbers of 10. So we know that 3 and 7 together makes 10. Great job. But just to check ourselves, let's go ahead and put up 7 fingers. So let's do these 2. So we have 7 fingers up, and let's add 3 more just to check. So we have 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. And I can't even remember what exercise we're gonna do, but I think it's washing machines. So we're gonna do 10 washing machines. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 3 more. 8, 9, 10. Great job. So we did our 7 washing machines and we added our 3 washing machines to that 7. How many did we get? That's right, we got 10. We know it's friendly numbers of 10. Great job. And our last exercise of the day is going to be, let me think of a hard one. It's going to be 4 as one of our parts. 4 plus 5. So I'm going to let you figure that one out. 4 plus 5. You can count on your fingers. Do anything that you need to do to get 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. So we have 4. And we have 5. Somebody tell me which one is greater. Which one is more? Is 4 more or is 5 more? Put a thumbs up if you think 4 is more. No. Put a thumbs up if you think 5 is more than 4. Yes, great job. So we can count on. So we have 5, and we know that we're going to count how many more? Good job. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 plus 4 equals how many? 9. Great job. So let's do our 9 washing machines to end the day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have our 5, and now we're going to add 4 more. 6, 7, 8, 9. Great job. I had so much fun exercising with y'all, and I hope you've had fun too. Let's think just for a second before I end the video. We talked about some ways that you can add today. We talked about the counting on method. We talked about counting on our fingers, but we don't have more than 10 fingers, so that doesn't always work, does it? It worked today, but maybe not always. But so we know that we can count on our fingers. We can count on. What else can we use? Let me think. What about objects? Can we count objects? Yeah, absolutely. We could count objects. We could count on some kind of line. What line is it? A number line? Yeah, we could count on a number line. That's great. We can add using some kind of frame. What kind of frame is it? Do you put pictures in it? 10 frame. We can count using a 10 frame. We can add things together using a 10 frame. Great job. Well, y'all are some smart cookies as always, and I'm so glad that y'all decided to come exercise with me and add with me, and we'll do it again tomorrow. I love you and I miss you.